How's it going, guys? Yomsash here, back with another video. And did you guys know that I've got more tweaks to show you today? Oh, it's a Wednesday. Oh, it's a jailbreak Wednesday. Ah, no wonder. Anyway, let's get into the tweaks for today. So the first one is called cabello, or might be called cabello, but yeah, it basically allows you to add sounds to the buttons of your device. If you want your phone to make a sound when you press your home button, or if you want it to vibrate in a particular manner, well, you've got that. So cabello basically allows me to do this with my volume buttons. So this is similar to the keyboard clocks. Now you have it on your volume button, so which is really cool. You can also have like some vibration features with the haptic feedback, but I do not have a 6S and above, which you do need for that. But yeah, you can also change the sound of your lock button, or when you click your lock button and when you click your home button. So I don't know if you guys would mind this. For my volume, I don't particularly mind, but there's a bit of latency there. Well, it's not too bad. It might be a bit worse for the home button because you pretty much want to go home quickly when you press the home button. I haven't tried the home button yet, so don't take me on that. So make sure you try that. The next one is called appsiripin, and you basically know that Siri suggests apps for you. So if you don't want it to keep switching and switching out, maybe this is your preferred method of getting to an app on 5 screens away, and you're just like, I don't want to look for the app, I just want to get into the app. Well, you can pin the apps right here. I mean, you could do it on your home screen and just leave it on like the first page, but if you love that your glorious arrangement of your home screen, then you can just pin apps up there and access it immediately. So that's really cool. The next trick is called Better Blur CC11. So Better Blur CC11, let me see, what does this do? So the next trick is called Better Blur CC11, and it basically allows you to change the amount of blur you get in your control center. And following up to this trick is called DarkModuleCCXI. So you basically have dark icons in here, so you can see that the volume is no longer white and the brightness is no longer white there, and I believe there's some other things are no longer the way they are, but I haven't really experimented all that much. But the volume and brightness are definitely different, so that's really cool. And the next trick is called CC View Charge, and this is also in the control center. So right up there, if you have issues like knowing when your actual device is charging, which I do sometimes, I usually just have to stick it into low power mode to at least check my percentage and check, and then it shows like the little zazz lightning sign in the corner. So yeah, this basically gives you an easy view of when your phone is charging or not. So it says not charging there, so when I do plug it in, it changes to green and it says charging. I'll leave a screenshot there. I don't want to charge my phone right now. The next trick is called CoolFolder, and CoolFolder is a brother to CoolCC. And if you watched the Jailbreak Wednesday a few Wednesdays ago, you know that CoolCC is the coolest. Anyway, this is what CoolCC looks like. So that same aesthetic that I have in my control center that looks like the iOS 7 control center from a while back now. Yeah, so it brings that over to your folders, so which is really nice actually. So it just has a nice blur and it's more or less transparent with like a white border around it. Really cool, like the name says, CoolFolder. The next trick is called Easy Edit Alarms, and you know Apple just has to be complicated sometimes. I don't know why, but yeah, you can't edit alarms by just clicking on them if you didn't have this tweak, so you'd have to click modify and then be able to go into them. But with Easy Edit Alarms, you can just tap into it and you're right there. You're like, why didn't Apple do this? I mean, it could be helpful so that you don't mistakenly change that alarm you set and then you didn't wake up when you were going for a job appointment or something, or school. Yeah, so maybe that's why Apple did it. I don't think we're gonna know why Apple did it, but yeah, this trick does work and it's called Easy Edit Alarms. Now the last trick for today is called 9, and I'm fairly certain I've shown this before, but I just want to point out Jailbreak Wednesday is not a place where we redo tweaks. That doesn't happen here. It's called Jailbreak Wednesday for new tweaks every week, but I'm still gonna show this tweak though. It's pretty cool. So yeah, 9 brings back the iOS 9 notification center, and yeah, I think I'm really sure I've done this now. So it's pretty neat. Like, it's actually a pretty good port, and it works well on the lock screen. So I was watching a video that the guy made. So when you slide up, okay, it doesn't work for me, but you'll see it on the install page though. But yeah, it's a really cool tweak. Yeah, it's a really cool tweak. Anyway, guys, this has been Yomitosh, and this has been another Jailbreak Wednesday. See you guys next week. Peace.